Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture of chapter set, we have studied the law of algebra of sets and law of complements of set. Students, in our today video lesson, we are going to learn the application of set. The application of set is known as set theory. Concepts of application of set theory over here. The first statement is what? If A and B are two finite sets. What? If A and B are two finite sets, then there are two conditions over there. Understood? There are two conditions. In first condition, if A intersection B is 5. Students, keep it in mind that both the sets are finite, but their intersection is 5. So we will draw the first diagram. Suppose you having the set A and B, right students? You having the set A and B, but both the sets are disjoints, means no elements are common. So students, here you can write A and B. These two sets are disjoint sets. Then number of element of A union B. So number of element of A union B is equal to number of element of A plus number of element of B. Similarly, if A intersection B is not 5, means this is not disjoint, this is adjoint. It means students, here you can consider the set like that way. Suppose you having the two set A and these are not disjoints, means there will be something common over here. Understood student? So A intersection B is not 5, it means some element will be common. Then the number of element of A union B will be equal to number of element of A plus number of element of B minus, you will have to remove the number of element of A intersection B. You will have to remove the element of which are common in shaded region. Understood students? Okay. Now the second one, if A and B are any two finite sets, same over here. Number of element in a set A. Okay students, these are finite set, right student? The sets are finite, means something will be common in both the element, right? Suppose this is A and this is what? B. Okay, number of elements in A only, means this part. If you want to find out the number of element in A only, then what do you have to write? Number of element of A minus B will be equal to number of element of A minus this part. This part means what? Number of element of A intersection B. Understood student? You want to find out number of element of A minus B means number of element of A minus number of element of A intersection B. Okay student? Now moving to the next, number of element of B only. This time number of element of B only. So you can write what? Suppose you have two sets A and B, right students? A and B. You want to find out the number of element of A only. Okay students? No, sorry, B only. So you want to find the element which is lies this shaded region, right? So you will remove the element of this part. So you can write what? Number of element of B minus A is equal to number of element of B minus number of element of this black region. Okay. The next one, if A, B, C are three finite set. If A, B and C are three finite set, then A union B union C, right students? Here you can see that suppose I am taking a a set, three sets which are finite. Okay, means, so students, you can write like that way: A, this is B and C. So A, B and C. Okay student, if A, B, C are finite set, A, B and C are finite set, then you want to find out n A union B union C, means number of element of A, B and C, right student? So what you will write? Number of element of A means this one, number of element of B plus number of element of this part minus, you will have to remove number of element of A intersection B. You will have to remove number of element of A intersection B, means this part is A intersection B, right? Minus number of element of B intersection C. So B intersection C, so this part is B intersection C, right? And number of element of A intersection C, means number of element of A intersection C means this part. Minus number of element of A intersection B intersection C, so this region. Understood students? Means you will find the number of element in A, here in B and here in C, and you will have to remove number of element which are common in A and B, means this part, number of element common in B and C means this part, number of common of element A and C means this part, and number of element in A, B and C common, so this part is common, so you will have to remove all these parts. Okay student? Now if A, B, C are mutually disjoints, it means nothing is common. Mutually disjoints means students nothing is common. It means here you can write what? Like that way, A like B and here is C, right students? So nothing is common, so you can write A, B and C. So number of element of A union B union C will be equal to number of element A and B and C. So you will have to add all the element of A, B and C. Now students, if A, B, C are three finite set, the number of element in A only. Okay, what is number of element A, B, C, three sets over here. A, B, C are three finite set, number of element in A only. Okay, let us draw the diagram over here. A, B, C, A, B and C. Okay student, we want to find out finite set, then number of element in A only, number of element in A only. Suppose this is A, this is B and C. We want to number of element in A only, means we want to find out this part, number of element in this part. So number of element in A only, you can write what? Number of element of A minus number of element of A minus B. So what is A minus B? Number of element of A minus B means you will have to remove this one. Okay, plus number of element of A intersection B intersection C means you will have to take the common element from here. Okay, you will have to add this common element. What is this one? Okay, so just you will have to, you want to find out the element of A only, just remove A minus number of element of A and B and add this part means number of element of A intersection B intersection C. Okay students, now moving to the next point. If A, B, C are three finite set, A, B, C are three finite set, then the number of element in A and B only. Okay, so three finite set. A, B, and suppose this is C, right? This is A, B and C. What do you want to find out? Number of elements in A and B. Number of element in A and B. A and B means you want to find out number of element of A intersection B, means you will write what? Number of element of A intersection B minus number of element of A intersection B intersection C. So you want to find out this part and this part. Okay, A and B, right students, plus this part. So what you will have to remove? You will have to remove what? A and B, n of A intersection B minus number of element of A, B and C. Okay students, so from here you will remove from here A and B from this point, from here, understood? From here you will have to remove A, B and C. Okay students, so you can get what? The element of A and B. Okay, now the next point, if A and B are two finite set, A and B are two finite set. Finite set means students something will be common in both the set. So this is like A and this is B, A and B, right? Okay student, A and B in two finite set, we want to find out A del B. A del B means student we want to find out B minus A. We will remove the number of element B minus A. So if you write B minus A means this part, number of element of this part, union number of element of B minus A minus B and B minus A, this part. Okay, it means you will remove the intersection part. Okay student, so you can write what? Number of element of A minus B plus number of element of B minus A. So this, the element of this set A and set B will be A del B. In short you can write what? Number of element of A del B means this is different set. Student, this is what? Different set. Number of element of A plus number of element of B, you can remove twice of number of element of A intersection B. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood this video lessons. Students, in coming video lessons I will make a video. From that video you can get complete knowledge about Venn diagram. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you so much for watching this video.